Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play Escape KFC. Yeah, I got Escape KFC. Today my brother is not going to play. Oh my god. Okay, we did this. Okay, we're just gonna follow that person. Oh, I just fell. Which one is it gonna be? I guess it's gonna be this one. Okay, it is this one. Let's zoom in. Okay, I just touched it mistakenly. Subscribe if you have tried KFC. One thing I like. Shh, the manager is just reply to. Okay. Cancel. Come on, come on. Okay, I just died. Okay, let's go. Friends. Okay. Okay, we're about to finish it. Let's go. Okay, you know that KFC is the best food. KFC like literally has the best. Like chicken. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, this red thing is like a puzzle, I guess. Let's go. I hope we are going the right way. Okay, now. Okay, we're finally going. Why did I just die? Okay, guys, it seems like this is hard, so we're gonna meet you after we are done with this stage. Bye. So guys, we finished the stage and I guess we are about to finish. Finally we are out. Let's go to the tunnel. Is that KFC? That's the thing where we started. Oh my god. We got out to that mess. Let's go. Congratulations. Take this coin to get your badge and check out merch. Oh my god, guys, we finished day. It's a fun. Okay, what is this? Ring will not buy, okay. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. So guys, I hope you liked our video. And I hope you like, subscribe, share. Yeah, that's it. So, like, bye I guess. And, okay, bye.